Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Today I will show you how I created a yarn flower crown. Now, a while ago I created a flower crown using fake flowers and wire, but this time I'm going to be using yarn, and I have a whole bunch of these crochet flowers that I'm not 100% sure how I came to own them, but I have them anyway, so I'm gonna use them, so here we go. Okay, so here is how I'm going to start to create the yarn flower crown. I have some of this really soft, like colorful yarn that I'm just going to take and I'm going to wrap around my head to see what'll be the right size for it to fit around. All right, and then once I have that, I'm just going to wrap it around a whole bunch of times. Alrighty, once I have it a nice bunch of yarn, I'm going to tie these ends together just so it doesn't unravel as much. Alrighty, after that I now have this nice little bunch of yarn. Now I'm going to take, I'd just say maybe around 2 extra pieces of yarn and just wrap it around the entire thing, just so, or maybe just once or so, just so the whole thing doesn't come undone. Alright, the next step is for me to grab all of these yarn flowers that I have and pretty much put them in places that I would like. So I think I'm going to take this blue one, and my thought process was to take some of this yarn, cut it, and then take my tool like this to help me feed it through a little bit. So we'll see what happens. There we go. Alright, so now I kind of fed it through a little bit. That should definitely help. Sort of just winging this as I go along. There we go. Okay, yeah, that works. And then I'm going to take this with the yarn feeded through it, and I'm just going to tie it to my strand of yarn. Alright, and then there we go. It is on. I'm kind of going to show how I did that one more time just so you get a good look at it. Okay, one side will be yellow, the other side will be blue. Figured it out. Okay, so then I'm going to show you with the pink one. I'm going to take some yarn, cut it, and then I'm going to put this tool in through one of the holes, pull it all the way through, and then take my yarn, wrap it around, and then pull it through. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to find a place to put it, pull it through, take the yarn, and pull it through. Then I'm just going to tie it around. And that's pretty much it. So I will be back when I have pretty much all the flowers on and I'm completely done. Okay, so I'm back and here's what it looks like. I am so happy with it. I think it looks so cute. It's adorable, and it really wasn't that hard to make, although in all honesty I didn't make these flowers, so you might have to find a different tutorial, or maybe you do know how to make them. But I mean, this could be something that you might find in a thrift store, but either way, this is how it turned out. I love it and I think it is really, really cute. So that is how I created the yarn flower crown. I think it looks so cute. It is so adorable. I'm not 100% sure what kind of outfit you could wear it with, but maybe I'll think of something. Bottom line is, it is adorable and I'm very happy with it. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!